Hello everyone. I welcome you all for online video tutorial by Department of Civil Engineering, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Myself, Professor Gautam, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. Today I am going to explain about how to do calculation of vertical stress using Boussinesq equation in soil. Okay. Now let us take one problem now. So here is a problem. A concentrated load of 40 kilonewton acts on an ground surface. For that, draw the vertical stress distribution on a horizontal plane at a depth of 5 meters for a distance of 3 meters on either side. Next, second is asking, draw the vertical stress distribution on a vertical plane at a horizontal distance of 2 meters from the axis of point load. Next, he is asking, draw the stress isobar for vertical stress of 4 kilonewton per meter square using Boussinesq equation. Now, let us see how to solve this problem. He is saying that, so this is a ground surface. On this ground surface, he applied a load of 40 kilonewton. Now he is saying at a depth of 5 meters, to the left and right 3 meters, at a radial distance of 3 meters, what is the stress is acting at these points we need to find out. That means at a depth of 5 meters and at a radial distance of 3 meters, we need to calculate the stress. In order to calculate that, let us see the data he had given. Depth is 5 meters, radial distance is 3 meters on either side, and applied load is 40 kilonewton. Okay, so we'll go with the step by step. So in the first step, we need to work the solution for the first question. So vertical stress distribution on horizontal plane. We know the Boussinesq equation, that is sigma suffix z is equal to 3q divided by 2 pi z square into 1 divided by 1 plus r by z whole square to the power of 3 by 2, or sigma z is equal to kb q divided by z square, where kb is the 3 divided by 2 pi into 1 divided by 1 plus r by z whole square to the power of 5 by 2. After that, we need to form this table. Here, we need to take different radial distances values starting from 0, 0.5 with an interval of 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and finally, last radial distance is 3, and z remains the constant value. That means at this depth, we are calculating what is the stress is encountering. So depth remains same, 5 meters. Then calculate r by z value, 0 divided by 5, 0, 0 by 5, 0.1, 1 divided by